good visual,
We're
actually.
not just gonna.
Hi, this is Tamara Smith, and I am going to show you how to pull a permit for Douglas County here in Colorado. And so, of course, I went to the Douglas County website. Douglas looks like douglas.co.us. I'm going to just go in here and search permit. So I'm going to push apply for permits. I'm going to click on roofing, and you kind of read through this, and right here, this is what we're looking for, submitted online. All right, so we're going to apply roofing permit, and some of these things are super great to read here, because it looks like Douglas County recently has now added some things that we need to look at for as far as roofers. It looks like they're wanting us to, have attention towards the B vent flue caps, maybe how they're installed, everything. So if you see these type of things, and we haven't been here for a while, for instance, we haven't recently ordered a lot of permits here in Douglas County. It's just not where the storm's been. So I haven't seen this for a while. So in this case, I would definitely jot something like this down, write it down, and then put it in AccuLinks and just put it in the message board for project managers. That way, if a storm does come today or tomorrow in that area, then we're totally aware of it and to look out for this. It looks like they will not be passing inspections if they're not properly secured to the vent, and looks like with 3 equally spaced sheet metal self-tapping screws. So these are things that are really important. Don't think that this isn't and overlook it. We're a team effort here, so these type of things are super important to relay to the rest of the team. So we'll go and push next. All right, so Douglas County has quite a few different questions. Actually, they have more questions than I think most of the counties, honestly, which is fine. So we're going to say, is the structure on the residential property? Yes. Is there more than 100 square feet of the roof to be replaced or repaired? Yes. What type of structure? Primary residence, we're going to choose. And I'm just going to use, it's not one of our customers. I will tell you, with Douglas County, less is more. And what I mean by that is when you're pulling a permit for Douglas County, it is going to be, when you come down here to the street name, I'm going to use Cumberland Road. So I'm probably just going to put in Cumberland. And I'm going to say search for address. Bam, there it is. If you actually put in road sometimes, or Southwest Cumberland or something like that, it's super weird. It just won't pull up, and it actually gives you don't enter. So not everybody reads that. We kind of just we're going about our business and trying to get things going, and we just overlook that. So just less is more. So we're going to go to next. Okay, these are the homeowners. I'm just going to put in 71985, just make up a number. Next. It will not let you go. Roofing work done by contractor. And then this is another thing. Less is more here as well. So I'm going to put in integrity. Whoops. And I'm not going to put in LLC or anything. Search for contractor. So let me just put in integrity roofing. Here we go. So, like I said, you saw that I put in Integrity Roofing and Painting. It looks like they have us with the and symbol. I'm probably going to get that corrected at some point because that is not our company name. We have an and in there. This is us, however, because of Gerald Fristow, the owner, and this is their address. So I'm going to click on that. All right, I'm going to push next. Okay, what is the existing roof type? So we're going to do composition, which is definitely a shingled roof. What's the new roof going to be? Same thing. Is the work being done a re-roof or a repair? Re-roof. And here we're going to do roofing squares because it's way easier to do it that way. We're going to say that there's 33 squares. Okay, now this valuation of materials and labor, and that's cost to repair. So this here, as you're seeing, once again, very important that you look at the valuation and what they're asking for. If they are not specific, remember what I've said in the past, for the valuation, make sure you just do materials and labor. But here they're specifically asking for the valuation of the materials and the labor. So cost to repair or replace roof. And so we'll just put in a number there, 4,200. And so we'll push next. All right. Reusing the flashing, no. What is the wind speed? This is very a technical question they ask. Like I said, most of the counties and cities do not ask for that, but Douglas asked for like 30 questions. So you might want to just read the notes over here. The minimum wind speed rating for asphalt shingles. The minimum wind speed rating. So we're just gonna do 110. Is any of the portion of the roof being repaired or replaced less than? And this is why it's important that project managers let us know the pitch. So when a project manager actually gets on AccuLinks and messages us and tags us and says, hey, please order a permit, these are reasons why. In that case, more information is going to be helpful, and we don't have to give them a call or bother them when they're out there in the field doing what they need to do. So we're going to say no for right now. Changing roof ventilation, no. So I am going to go ahead and you'll push here final review and you'll check it out. And after that, I'm nervous to go any further because we actually have a credit card on the account here, so it might automatically purchase this permit, and we don't want to do that. This is just for training purposes. So the final review is going to show you all the questions that you answered. It's going to give you the total, and then it's going to give you a page to go ahead and pay online. And with Douglas, we go ahead and pay online, and you just order it that way. So this is how and of course, like I've ended with all of these permit trainings, when you're pulling permits, that make sure that you print and upload the permit into the correct file in AccuLinks for that client, and then message the project manager that the permit has been purchased and uploaded for him to review. Thank you so much.